And I'm going to literally reveal the secret. So it is to actually... Yo, what's good? Good morning. Happy Friday, bro. Happy Friday. Let's have a great ass day as usual, okay? Yesterday, this whole week has been pretty solid of a trading week, even though there has been kind of not that many trades taken. However, still really up. 2 days ago, I took one trade that made me $1.4 thousand, and that was like one of my biggest days so far, and which is going up, man, which is going up. Sky's the limit. And let's have a great day. It's currently morning. I'm about to take my dog out, then I'll come back home. Today is NFP day, but it's at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, and the session will open at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, so there's no worry. But sometimes they will have an impact to the markets, most definitely, but we'll see about that. Yeah, so far overall this week super profitable. Last week was super good, and but now it's October. This is the first week of October, and yeah, man, let's make it the better one, okay? But overall pretty good right now. But yeah, I'm gonna take my dog out. This is life. This morning, chilling out here before trading. Life is good, bro. Life is good. You gotta enjoy these beautiful moments. You gotta enjoy these little things. Bro, you know what's crazy? There's literally 3 months left of 2024. And have you actually tried yet? Like, this is an honest question, okay? Because, I want you to succeed. So this is the best time, not tomorrow, today, to start, to risk it all. Not necessarily risk it all, but just focus, man. Start that, lock in, because at some point you will regret it. You will regret you not locking in, because right now, I don't know how old are you, but there's a lot of opportunity going on right now, so take advantage of that. And the reason why I'm saying this, why you should lock in, is totally for the reason that one day you'll realize that nobody is coming to save you. Nobody, okay? Nobody. Not even your mom, because, especially if you're a man, you gotta take care of yourself. And you gotta attack your goals. And you may wonder, how the fuck do you know all this? I'm 17, but I know that I need to have the ability to learn from others. Okay, I've read books, I've watched videos. So learning from others is a really key, okay? That's what's up. Yo, Rocky. Yo, bro, if you made it this far already, comment down below W Rocky. That's the way I know you already made it this far, because you have to understand, most of the people already clicked off of this video because their attention span is fucked up, and I cannot even blame them because of the TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Those things has fucked them up. And you really need to take care of your attention span if you really want to make money in trading, okay? Because in trading, patience is key as well. By the way, you know what's funny? As soon as I kind of detach myself from the money in trading, that's exactly when I start to make more. It's crazy. But because, when you attach yourself to the money, you kind of tend to get emotional because you're dealing with your hard-earned money. But when you detach yourself, that's when exactly you don't care about it that much. And that's when you start to make more money, okay? It's crazy. It's crazy. It's really crazy, man. Man, it's a really nice weather, even though it's cold. Not cold, but, starting to get kind of cold. About to be winter. Okay, man, but, nice little weather. I'm about to get out of here. All right, so now I'm back home, as you can see. So the thing that I'm gonna do now is record like one YouTube video, okay? And it's funny, I'm about to record video in a YouTube video. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm gonna record one video, and then after that, I'm gonna hop on to the call with my Discord members, and I'm about to live trade. And it's the last trading day of the week, so let's see. Usually on Fridays, the volume starts to a little bit, tends to slow down a little bit, depends on the day. But today we'll have NFP news, which is crazy. But yeah, after the video, I'm gonna start the live trading call, and then whatever happens, I'm gonna hit the gym, okay? But so far, really profitable week as usual. Again, not to flex on you, but that's just a reality. I just want to show these documents are just to show you that it works, to show you that it works. I'm 17, and I'm just a regular kid who wanted to learn trading, went all in, and now I'm here. But yeah, about the thing, why I'm gonna record video, even though the markets are about to open little like later, but I'm about to record the video before that because I don't want to waste time, and that is literally the key to success. And I'm going to literally reveal the secret, what makes a successful person. It is to actually take advantage of every single minute and hour of your day. Okay, you need to win every single day, and once you win every single day, you can win the week. Once you win the week, you can win the month. Once you win the month, you can win the year. And if you manage to win the year, you are already balling. You've already succeeded 100%, because how can you actually win the day? Well, me personally, I have like tasks that I need to complete, but you can use Google Calendar and fill those tasks. Fill the whole day with those tasks and do the tasks. Do not lie to yourself. Actually complete the tasks, and that's how you win the day. And I know it can be uncomfortable, but if you want it, bro, if you want it, or do you want to stay average? That's the question, okay? That's the question. Me personally, I'm the number one hater of average, okay? I'm the number one hater of mediocrity. That's why I'm running away from it. And I don't want you to be mediocre, because look, man, my channel is not made for losers. And if you already made it this far to this video, I know you're not a loser, because you actually have some big goals in mind, okay? So I'm gonna record the video, and then I'm gonna live trade. Okay, man, so I just finished up live trading with the team, and today we got consolidated out. We were in this trade for like 30 minutes just moving sideways, but as you can see, this line right here, it's 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. So that means I will de-risk in a trade. What is de-risking? It's just risking less in a trade. So I barely lost money today, and overall super profitable week. And that's how it goes, okay? You may wonder like, huh? A day trader showing his losses? Absolutely, I show everything. Still ended up really profitable, and I always show my losses, I show my winners, I show my break-even trades. That's how it goes, okay? But overall, really profitable week, as usual, and let's keep it up. Now I'm gonna hit the gym. You may wonder like, how the hell did I end up the week profitable even though I lost the trade? Well, simple fact that knowing when to risk more, knowing when to risk less, and risk-reward ratio, risk management, and having a good win rate, good setups. Pow. And a little piece of advice, if you trade stock indices, you should risk less when you hit 10:30 a.m. each time, because that's when markets really start to slow down a little bit. But yeah, man, overall profitable week, that's what's up. Let's keep it up, even though I didn't trade that much in this week. But yeah, profitable week, great start for October. I'll see you at the gym. Alright, what's good, man? So I came home. As you can see, it's getting kind of late, and I ate really good food, man. A lot of protein, a lot of carbs, a bunch of food, but took some creatine as well. Super calm day so far, even though I lost today, but it was like basically almost nothing, because I have a rule: 10:30 a.m. Eastern time, I will de-risk heavily. And that's what I did. And overall profitable week, super profitable week. And super calm week, man. Obviously, I'm thankful. I'm super thankful. You should always be thankful, man. But obviously, never be satisfied. Okay, you can be thankful, but do not be satisfied because you don't want to stop working. But that kind of reminds me of something. While I was coming home from the gym, I was just, listening to music. I was like, it's Friday night. I bet that most people are doing something, partying, taking drugs, or just doing some recreational stuff. They wouldn't think that I'm having fun, grinding, going to the gym, locking in, winter arc. And I'm not trying to sound corny or anything, but bro, it's true. I love it, bro. I love it. It's hard to explain. When you see that progress coming in, that also feels really good, man. So that's what you gotta do, bro. You gotta lock in. And if you already made these farms, like you actually are serious about your goals, and I know that. And you're gonna make it, bro. You're gonna fucking make it. Because if you actually put it all, if you actually go all in, whatever you do, whatever craft you want to put your mind to, and you actually do the work towards it, you're gonna get it, bro. Obviously. Like, look, man, I had so many doubts. I had so many doubts when I was losing in trading, like losing money, not being profitable. I had so many doubts. But then I just simplified everything, started to see progress. Even though I lost money today, but I ended up the week profitable, you see me? You have to understand it. Once it clicks in your head, it becomes much, much more easier, okay? This is consistency, man. Showing up every single day. And when you fail a lot, that's when you get the best knowledge, okay? Failings is knowledge. Okay, you need to learn and be comfortable failing in the beginning, okay? Do not expect it to click in one day. For the people who don't know, I've been day trading for 3.5 years. I had to go through shit, but now I've been profitable for 1.5 years, making money consistently. Now I'm focused on other things as well, like going to the gym, grinding, focused on the social media as well, and making sure that my students are learning, making money with me, making sure that you behind the screen is developing, okay? But obviously I cannot actually check are you grinding. You gotta do that yourself. But I can give you the motivation, innovation, and education. I can give you the right tools to become profitable in trading, okay? If you want to get that, it should be the first link in the description. But yeah, never feel bad about grinding. Never feel bad about working hard, okay? For me, I get some sort of energy when I'm working, when everybody else is slacking. It's hard to explain, bro. Maybe I'm crazy. Not playing, but for real, it's crazy, It's currently Friday night, and I'm not lying, bro. It feels good. It feels really good, and that's why I like to wake up early as well, to do the hardest task in the beginning. As soon as I wake up, I do the hardest shit because I know most people are sleeping, scrolling on TikTok. You gotta enjoy the process, man. You gotta enjoy the process. Most people are fucking lazy. You have to understand the competition and shit. And in trading, you are your enemy. You gotta learn to master yourself. You gotta learn to love yourself, okay? Know yourself, because it's you in the markets. Your emotions come in. Your emotions creep up. Once you realize that, it becomes much, much more easier. You need to detach yourself from the money like I told you in the beginning. But now, I'm still continue working. I'm gonna edit this video for you. And then, I will, boom, shut down my computer. Maybe read some book for like 30 minutes. Go to sleep. Alright? Because, it's getting kind of late in my country. Even though it may seem that I just traded, but, I did a bunch of stuff in the middle. But, super calm day, man. Super calm day. Weekends is coming. And weekends is time where you shouldn't chill. Obviously, you can take a little break. You cannot go to the markets, but you should develop always. Okay? I'll see you tomorrow with these vlogs. Alright? And as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.